So I'm going to be talking about making tax digital for VAT. So this is also known as MTD, and it's HMRC's way to digitise the system and make everything online. So it requires businesses to use HMRC compliant software to record and report all VAT information, and the reporting on this must be done once every quarter. Next slide, please. So currently, VAT registered businesses above the taxable turnover of 85,000 have had to comply since 2019. So many businesses underestimated the preparation that was needed for going MTD, so it is best to start preparing early. So businesses were given an initial soft landing period for 6 months to put things into place. However, new businesses no longer get this. So these are the upcoming changes from April 22. So all VAT registered businesses will have to comply with MTD no matter the threshold. Businesses will have to follow the same regime that companies part of MTD already do. And as previously mentioned, this is being part of HMRC compliant software and reporting the VAT information quarterly. So in order to prepare for this, businesses need to implement systems that can record and report information in each quarter within HMRC rules. So to be compliant, the software must be able to keep and preserve digital records. Also to create VAT and tax return information from these digital records and report to HMRC electronically. You can also provide data voluntarily to show that you are complying. And again, all of this must be done each VAT quarter. So this is the MTD roadmap, and as you can see, there is still lots of changes ahead. So at the start in 2019, this is where MTD for VAT became mandatory for businesses above the threshold. And then you can see the soft landing period of 6 months, which is now ended. Then you can see where we are at now. So the next change is April 2022, where MTD for VAT will be mandatory for all VAT registered businesses, no matter the threshold. Then in the future, in 2024, MTD for income tax will become mandatory for most self-employed businesses if you have a taxable turnover above £10,000. And then in 2026, this is the earliest date at which businesses will need to report corporation tax via MTD.